Hey, so today I'm popping on because one of the biggest growing, most popular things that's happening on Happy Deal Happy Day right now is my weekly Amazon promo code list. And what's cool about that is that I send out an email every Friday and let everyone who's subscribed know that there's a new list of hard to find, like, I don't even know how you would find these promo code deals unless I told you about them. So here's the deal. Basically, and I don't even know how these people find me. I guess just because I'm a deal blocker, but so I get emails from Amazon sellers and like store owners, and some of them don't live in the United States, and they email me and they say, "Hey, I've got 10 promo code deals to share with you," or "I've got 6 promo code deals to share with you." And I take a look at the deals and I'm like, huh, well, I could pop that up and let my readers see these promo codes too, because I don't, I may not buy everything on the list or anything on the list that week, but that doesn't mean that someone out there doesn't want one of those deals. So usually like Wednesday, Thursday, I start working on updating the weekly list. I publish it Friday morning. I send out an email Friday morning. And traffic to that post has been crazy amazing. And you know what? I just love it because I started this website based on deals. I started this website when the recession was going on and when coupons were like the thing and extreme couponers was the show to be on. And like it was just a super cool thing. So I jumped on board because that was one of the same time I became a mom and I quit my teaching job. And I was like, what do I do? Because I don't want to just be a mom. Like I needed more stimulation than just changing diapers and keeping my house clean. So when I found out that people were posting all of their deals because they were making money off of that, I was like, sign me up. Little did I know how many years and hard work it would take to actually make this into a job, but I have gotten there. So with that being said, I started out this website because I wanted to share deals. I love deal shopping. I love getting great deals. I love getting a good discount. And I know that over time, the site has kind of changed and evolved a little bit, and I've been sharing more DIYs or more easy recipes, but haven't shown as many coupons. Like I don't even show the Wegmans coupons anymore like I used to, because I mean, I'll let you know if there's new digital ones, but I'm not in Wegmans every week anymore trying to double my coupons because it's just not how the economy is right now. But everyone, well, I can't say everyone, but it feels like everyone shops on Amazon. Everyone loves a good promo code. And I want to share with you these secret promo codes that I'm getting emailed to me for. I've taken advantage of these codes too. So I've been posting this list, I don't know, 6 months maybe, and it just keeps going. Every week there's more people coming and looking at this list, which, hey, I don't blame them because it's awesome. And so I just want to show you some sample deals, and then I want you to jump over there and take a look at this week's list. Now, I think there's 38 deals this week. It varies between 20-ish to 40-ish. Black Friday time, I definitely had closer to 40-ish, but now we're kind of in the winter slump and there may be fewer each week. But either way, you know what's so super cool? It's like when I go into Walmart and I find the clearance aisle, and I always walk down the clearance aisle because just in case there might be something awesome that I didn't know I needed, right? But since it's such a good deal, I'm gonna grab it. So it's like walking down the clearance aisle in Amazon with this promo code deal list. I'm going to show you a few deals that I've gotten, and just to give you an idea of the sort of things that you can find on these lists. So I'm going to start with this awesome fuzzy sweatshirt. Let me see here. See, it's got a hood, and there's cool little wooden buttons, and just normal long sleeves. And you can totally wear this as a sweatshirt. You could wear it as a thin coat. Look at my cat. My cat just jumped up on my lap. This is Spot. Spot, I think, wants to be on Facebook Live. I'll just show you my enormous cat for a second. He just jumped up on my lap. So anyway, he probably wants to lay down on my fuzzy coat. Fuzzy coat, That cost me $10, and I believe the original price was around $30. So that was one of the deals I took advantage of. I have some carpet tape, which you might be like, what's carpet tape and why would you buy that? I got this because I had a runner in my hallway, and it slipped around all the time, and it was driving me nuts, and my kids would move it, and like the carpet was just never straight, and it was moving. Annoying, right? So then I saw that this was on the list one week. I was like, wait, I could use carpet tape because I can just peel off like this long and stick it on each end. And so it's sticky on one side, and then you put that on the floor, and then you peel off the other sticky, and then the carpet goes on top of that. And the carpet hasn't moved. And I can vacuum it, and it doesn't move. And it's awesome. And I love it. And this was $4 and originally $10. So, I mean, I'm not talking like huge savings, but enough that I'm like, okay, I could totally use that at home, and that's worth the deal. Thank you, Linda. I know these are good deals. And Linda, who's she's one of my favorite people, and she's an awesome fan of Happy Deal Happy Day. She's also the queen of thrifting and has taught me how to shop at thrift stores. So for that, I'm truly thankful. But I'm going to talk about more new item deals. So this thing here, it's a massager. It comes with a little base. You plug it in. I didn't bring the cord down. And I wanted one of these because my parents had an awesome Brookstone massager. I'm sure it was like a $200 model massager. And since I'm working all day long at my computer, I'm like comfortable with this. I'm looking at my cell phone. And then you know what happens to my shoulders? Like these muscles right here are like sometimes killing me at the end of the day. I even bought one of those little straps to fix my posture. And this thing is amazing. So before I go to bed, I try to just put this on my shoulders. I'm going to turn it on. You can kind of hear it buzzing, but you can see it moving. I haven't watched it like this before. But it's like really, really strong. It's not one of those cheesy $10 massagers that you can get at Walmart, because I bought those too. This was originally $87, and I paid $41 for it. And I bought it a little bit after Christmas. I got some money for Christmas and said, you know what I'm going to spend this money on? I'm going to use this deal that I got, and I'm going to save 50% on this awesome massager and only spend $40 on one because the other one that my parents gave me, it broke. And I missed my giant Brookstone massager that I'm sure was a $200 massager. But this $40 version, awesome. And like, I'll take the savings. Thank you very much. Then I got these pair of boots. These are kind of funky. I thought they're cute. I wear them a lot. They kind of look 80s-ish. I mean, even when I'm sitting here with my jean coat on, and I know the 80s are totally coming back, and the thought of wearing mom jeans now that I'm officially a mom is really scary, very scary to me. But it is what it is. So anyway, these boots originally were $35. I paid $7. Wait, no, the price was marked down to $7. I actually had rewards dollars though, because I have an Amazon credit card as well. And I think I paid $1.23. $1.23 for this pair of shoes. That's better than thrift store prices. And these were brand new. Then, let's see, I think this deal was going on recently for the green toys. I bought this green toy deal because my sister-in-law is actually a helicopter pilot for Mercy Flight, which if you're in New York or up in Western New York, they're like the ambulance version. They are a helicopter version of an ambulance. And so she flies and goes to emergency situations, flies people to the hospital, and I think it's an awesome, heroic job. Well, so I have a little nephew who's 1.5 and stinking adorable, and he gets all sorts of fun helicopter toys because his mom is a pilot, so why not? And so I saw this deal. It was 40% off Green Toys, and Green Toys, this brand, this is expensive. Originally, oh, I'm gonna look up here my cheat sheet. So originally this was priced at $30, and I got it 40% off. So I paid, I think, $17 for it. And my nephew his birthday isn't until August. But my philosophy always is that if I see something on sale and I know that there's a birthday coming, I'm going to buy it in advance and just hold on to it. So this will not be given. This little cute little plastic helicopter won't be given until August. but I don't care because I only paid $17 for it when I could have paid $30 for it. I did the same thing at Tractor Supply too, because after Christmas, I love going and seeing the Tractor Supply toys that are 50% off. And I usually get something for my daughters for their birthday because they have summer birthdays. My nephew now has a summer birthday. And I got my nephew this really cute John Deere tractor thing that was also 50% off. So like, I'm done birthday shopping for him. And it's February and his birthday's not till August. Who cares? Because I just got awesome brand new toys at 50% off. So those are just like 5 deals that I've taken advantage of off that list. There's probably more. I just ran around my house real quick and just found things that I have gotten from the deals list. It does change weekly. I don't necessarily take off every single deal each week that has not yet expired. So you might see a few things repeated week to week, but there's definitely always new items added. And I will say this too, that if you click on the post above and you just want to take a look at what's this week's deals list look like, it's just a normal average list. But people will forget that this list even comes out on Friday. So the best way to remember is to sign up for my emails so that when I send out this list on Fridays, then you click on it. And I love it because a lot of people around noonish open up that email because it's lunchtime on a Friday afternoon. Sounds like a good time to get a great deal. And I agree. And so there's probably lots of people, it's after lunch now, but if I go back and look at the traffic on that post, tons of people were visiting at lunch hour. And I hope they walked away with some awesome deals. And if they didn't this week, then they might next week, and the week after, and the week after. And so sign up for my email list. Make sure you get in on the deals every Friday. I showed you examples of some things I have gotten. Oh, I knew there was one more thing I had to talk to you about. Is if a promo code does not work. I have had 2 people, I think, have emailed me and said, hey, this promo code doesn't work. And so basically I found out that there is expiration dates below all of the deals. Some of them expire within a couple of days. Some of them don't expire to the end of the month. They all change. But the other thing is that they also might change without us knowing. And I believe that the sellers have a set amount of items. Let's say that they're doing a 40% off deal for the next 100 people. If they sold all 100 of those, they may cut off the promo code deal. And then all of a sudden the promo code just stops working. And then people are like, wait a second, you just sent us this promo code and it doesn't work. Hello, it should be working. And unfortunately, I don't have any control over that. And I wish I did, and I wish I knew when the sellers were just going to cut off the deal and I would take it off my list. But I'm not always aware. So if you come across an awesome deal that you wanted and it didn't work, I would love it if you sent me an email and says, this deal doesn't work. And that means it's already expired or the sellers turn off the code and it no longer works. But otherwise, all I know is that I check on Fridays, and the second I send out that email for all day today, and a few more will trickle in tomorrow, check out that deals list. And it's pretty fun. Like I said, it's going down the clearance aisle at Amazon. And it's Valentine's Day. Treat yourself to a good deal. Find something fun. Tell your deal shopping friends. Sign up for the emails. And get in on these secret Amazon promo codes that you're only going to get from me. I mean, these are just random sellers that found me because I'm a deal blogger. Otherwise, it's not posted anywhere on Amazon. So tell other people, tell your friends to jump on. And I hope everyone is having a great day, a great Friday. It's sunny out here in New York. Very snowy, lots of snow on the ground, but very sunny, which is rare. And it's Valentine's Day. My husband's been gone all week traveling for his job. So he comes home tonight, which is great. And that'll be a great Valentine's Day treat. I hope the rest of you are enjoying your day and your Valentine's Day and get in on some good Amazon deals. See y'all later. Bye.